Hey guys, Justin from thecarflip.com. Wanted to make a quick video to show you how to fix the whining noise from your 2007 through 2014 or so GMC Yukon XL. The Suburban from Chevrolet and the Tahoe also have the same rear audio control unit, which is what the issue is. Generally, I fixed this multiple times on multiple different similar body styles to what I'm working with today. Some of the Silverados may use this same control, and this also applies to some of your older Suburbans, Tahoes. It's just a different part number, but what you're going to have is a whining noise, and it's going to increase or decrease a lot of times with the use of the gas pedal. I've known some people to have some feedback coming through the speakers when they use their turn signals, because your turn signals on this, the clicking noise you're hearing actually comes through the speakers, not through an actual turn signal click like they used to. So I'm going to turn the camera now. I'm going to show you the issue of what you need to replace. Most likely, if you're having this issue, what it is this right here. I'm going to show you how to remove it. It's super simple. Flathead screwdriver is all you're going to need. Be careful, don't break anything if possible, but we're just going to pry that. This rear unit's going to pop out, and I will show you how to remove the clips. I don't know if you probably can't see my finger. Yeah, you can. This is a simple push it in, pull it out. That's your battery charger, cigarette lighter for the rear. You've got two plugs here. A good way to test this is if you're having the feedback noise. For my vehicle, this is intermittent, but what I did was I unplugged these plugs, and actually, if you can hear it right now, just moving that plug, it popped up for a second. I don't know if you can hear that in the video, but I removed, I think it was the green one, and it went away the first time. You can also remove the gray, see if it goes away. If so, that's your problem. Turn the camera back up here. Removing this is pretty simple. As you go from here, we've got 4 Phillips screws. Remove those. This is going to pop out. You're going to push it through in the front. It's going to pop out the rear. There's a link below in this video where you can order this exact unit. It's the factory unit from Amazon. It's going to be way cheaper from Amazon than it will be if you go to your local GMC or Chevrolet dealership. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully that helps fix the issue on your vehicle.